Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of connection, a feeling that you're part of something much, much bigger? What if that feeling wasn't just a feeling? What if it's the fundamental truth of our existence, woven into the very fabric of the cosmos? This is the story of light, the story of us. Everything begins with light. Long before there were stars, before galaxies spun into their graceful spirals, there was a brilliant, unimaginable flash. The universe was born not in darkness, but in a blaze of pure energy. From this singular point, threads of light began to stretch across the void, weaving the cosmic web. Imagine golden filaments, glowing like the veins of some vast living being, connecting clusters of nascent galaxies. These aren't just empty spaces between stars. They are the pathways, the ancient highways along which creation travels. Every star that ignites, every planet that forms, is a knot in this shimmering tapestry. The light from a star that died 1 billion years ago is just now reaching our eyes, carrying with it the story of its birth and death. It traveled across unimaginable distances, a silent messenger, to connect its past with our present. This light never stops connecting. It is the memory of the universe, and we are born from its glow. It's a constant, silent conversation happening across the ages, a promise that nothing is ever truly lost, only transformed. From the heart of distant suns, this light travels, a relentless river of energy flowing through space. When it reaches a small blue planet like ours, something miraculous happens. Light becomes life. Picture sunlight piercing the surface of the ocean, a cascade of golden spears plunging into the deep blue. Down below, where darkness once reigned, this energy awakens the smallest of creatures. It sparks a process that is the very engine of our world, photosynthesis. In the quiet miracle of a single leaf, light energy is captured, transformed, and stored. It becomes the sugar that fuels the plant, the oxygen that fills our lungs. Every breath we take is, in essence, sunlight made visible. This energy flows from the blade of grass to the grazing animal, from the plankton to the whale. It climbs the food chain, a continuous transfer of solar power. Look closely at a cell, a drop of water, a single leaf. You can almost see it glowing, humming with the captured energy of a star 93 million miles away. Life on Earth is a grand symphony, and its conductor is light. It is the force that turns rock and water into forests and oceans teeming with vibrant, breathing beings. This flow of light doesn't just create individual life, it connects all living things into one single breathing ecosystem. A living web. In a forest, trees are not solitary giants. They are linked underground by a network of fungi, sharing nutrients and information. But they are also linked above ground by the canopy, a mosaic designed to capture every possible ray of sunlight. The light that one leaf misses is caught by another below, a cascade of shared energy that sustains the entire community. This connection is everywhere. It's in the synchronized flashes of fireflies on a warm summer night, a silent, rhythmic conversation written in light. It's in the shared glance between two people, an unspoken transfer of emotion and understanding, a spark that travels from one soul to another. Light flows between all living things. It's the warmth of a campfire that draws us together, the gentle glow of the moon that guides a sea turtle to the shore. We are all nodes in this network, constantly receiving and transmitting energy, participating in a dance that began with the first sunrise. The world is not a collection of separate objects, but a single, interwoven entity, held together by threads of light. And this web of light doesn't just surround us, it is within us. Deep inside your body, at this very moment, a universe of light is alive. Your heart, with every beat, doesn't just pump blood, it pulses with an electromagnetic field, a radiant energy that can be measured feet away from your body. Your brain is an intricate galaxy of neurons, and every thought, Every memory, every feeling is a storm of tiny electrical flashes, a constellation of light firing in the darkness. Scientists have discovered that our cells emit a faint but constant glow, tiny sparks of life called biophotons. This is the light of our own biology, the energy of our metabolism made visible. You are literally glowing. This inner light connects the cosmos to your very core. The iron in your blood was forged in the heart of a dying star. The calcium in your bones, the carbon in your DNA, all were created in stellar explosions and scattered across the universe, eventually coming together to form you. You are made of stardust. You are made of light remembering itself. The universe is not something out there, separate from you. It is looking out through your eyes. So let's zoom out. From the intricate network of neurons in a single human brain to the social web that connects billions of us across the planet. Further still, past the moon, past the planets and our sun, out into the spiraling arms of the Milky Way. As we pull back, the patterns begin to repeat. The structure of a galaxy, with its bright center and sprawling arms, mirrors the structure of a hurricane, a seashell, even the firing of neurons in your own mind. The cosmic web, with its glowing filaments connecting galactic clusters, looks uncannily like the neural network of a brain. It's as if the universe is built on a single, repeating blueprint, a fractal pattern of connection that echoes from the largest scales to the smallest. From the light in your eyes to the light of 1 trillion galaxies, it is all one and the same. The separation we feel is an illusion. The feeling of being a small, isolated self is just a temporary perspective. In truth, we are not separate. We are the web of light. We are the universe experiencing itself for a brief, brilliant moment. And in that connection, we find our home.